Hi, this is your Freddy from Motorola One 5G8 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why it's up to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. After that, you'll see here information about battery temperature. So that's 31 and 1 in my case, so 33, sorry, so 33 and 1 degrees. Also, you got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.